Block 4 of this text discusses cryptocurrency, also known as altcoins. This piece of the course differentiates between Bitcoin and altcoins, stating that Bitcoin is trying to change money slowly and carefully, while altcoins are moving too quickly and causing projects to collapse, damaging the reputation of the digital asset sector. We go into detail about the formation of Bitcoin, which most likely arose as a solution to the trust and security problem created by the global financial crisis of 2008. Block 4 also discusses the reasons why so many different cryptocurrencies exist, including the potential for advancement and competition in a free market, greed, and the criticism that Bitcoin is too slow for global adoption. The block also talks about the scalability trilemma, which is the challenge faced by cryptos to give up decentralization or security to be scalable. Decentralization is also discussed, which replaces the need to use centralized banks and institutions such as PayPal and HSBC. Finally, the block provides examples of failed crypto projects and scams, including BitConnect, which was a pyramid scheme. Finally, we explain our personal reasons for not believing in the idea of crypto.